Hello affiliate marketers, my name is Leon from How to Webmaster. Thank you for checking out another episode, and today I will be discussing about getting your affiliate commission payments from Jvzoo. I've been promoting Jvzoo products for a pretty long time now, and I've always gotten paid on time, but there are these two vendors here which I made about $180, and I've never gotten my payments, and it's been a couple years since I've made these sales, and I had no idea why I haven't been paid yet. And I always get no response every time I try to contact these vendors, so I thought they just skipped out on me, took my money and ran. It turns out that there was an error in these affiliate commissions. So if you go to your affiliate menu here, go to the transactions, find the product or type in the vendor's name, you can see that there are sales that are either completed, refunded, or incomplete. So in my case, my affiliate commission for Jeremy Burns product, $82.70, right here, incomplete, and these last three here, incomplete. So I never knew about this until now. So here's June Ashley's product. So I have a bunch of completion, and there's one incomplete, $98.50, and there it is. That explains why I never got paid. So there apparently is some kind of error or bug where it reports my affiliate commissions as unpaid commission, even though the sale never happened. So they never got paid. June Ashley never got paid, so I never got paid. So this is a Jvzoo bug of some sort, and now at least I know that these commissions are not real. So if you have unpaid commissions and you're kind of pissed off about it, check your transactions. Again, it is under affiliate menu, transactions, find the product and see if the sale is completed or not. So that's how you check if your affiliate commissions went through or not. I hope this video helped clear up some questions about unpaid commissions on the Jvzoo affiliate marketplace. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks. And until next time, happy marketing.